In the vast darkness of space, a cosmic giant is heading our way. Named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, asteroid Apophis will come so close to Earth in 2029 that it will pass beneath our satellites. This is the story of humanity's closest brush with cosmic catastrophe, and how we transformed a potential doomsday into our greatest opportunity for survival. A routine night at Kitt-Peakett Observatory turned historic when astronomers spotted a faint dot moving against the star field. Within months, this innocent discovery would trigger emergency meetings at space agencies worldwide. What they found was Apophis, a chunk of space rock larger than the Empire State Building, hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour. The initial calculations sent shockwaves through the scientific community. This wasn't just another near-Earth asteroid. The numbers showed a 2.7% chance of impact with Earth in 2029, the highest probability ever recorded for an object of this size. In astronomical terms, this was like a cosmic shot across Earth's bow. Let's grasp the scale of this threat. Apophis spans 1,100 feet. Imagine 3 football fields floating in space. At its tremendous velocity, an impact would release energy equivalent to 1,200 megatons of TNT, 1,000 atomic bombs detonating at once. The impact crater would stretch for miles, launching enough debris into the atmosphere to alter global climate patterns. As observatories worldwide gathered data, a remarkable international collaboration unfolded. Scientists from dozens of countries worked tirelessly to understand the true nature of the threat. The asteroid's composition added another layer of complexity. It might be what scientists call a rubble pile, essentially a collection of rocks and dust held together by its own weak gravity. Each calculation had to account for numerous factors. The Yarkovsky effect, a subtle force caused by uneven heating from sunlight, gravitational influences from other planets, and even the pressure of solar radiation. Most intriguing was the discovery of keyholes, precise points in space that, if Apophis passed through them, would set it on a collision course with Earth during future encounters. As weeks turned into months, refined calculations brought both relief and anticipation. The probability of a 2029 impact dropped to 0, but what remained was the certainty of an unprecedented close approach. Apophis would pass within 19,000 miles of Earth's surface, closer than many of our communication satellites. This great cosmic near-miss transformed from a story of potential destruction into one of extraordinary opportunity. For the first time in recorded history, humans would witness a mountain-sized asteroid passing close enough to study in unprecedented detail. It would be visible to the naked eye, racing across our evening sky, a sight no living person has ever witnessed. The discovery of Apophis marked a turning point in planetary defense. It accelerated the development of asteroid detection technology, sparked international cooperation in space surveillance, and created new protocols for handling potential cosmic threats. What began as a tale of potential catastrophe became a testament to human ingenuity, scientific advancement, and global cooperation. April 13th, 2029. Mark this date in your calendars. It will be the day humanity witnesses something unprecedented in recorded history. Asteroid Apophis will slip through what scientists call Earth's gravitational keyhole, passing so close that our planet's gravity will literally reshape this cosmic giant. Picture this. On that spring evening, Apophis will become visible to the naked eye over the eastern hemisphere. As it races across the night sky, it will grow brighter than most stars, completing its journey across our view in just a few hours. From certain locations, you'll be able to track its movement with just your eyes, like watching a celestial bullet in slow motion. But the visual spectacle is just the beginning. At its closest approach, Apophis will pass through a region of space we've claimed as our own. This 1,100-foot space rock will thread the needle between Earth's surface and our geosynchronous satellites. To put this in perspective, when commercial airplanes cruise at 35,000 feet, they're about 7 miles up. Apophis will pass by at 19,000 miles. In astronomical terms, this is like a bullet grazing your sleeve. The encounter will trigger a cosmic dance of unprecedented scientific value. Earth's gravitational field will reach out and grab Apophis, potentially triggering avalanches across its surface. The asteroid's rotation might change, its shape could alter, and internal structures might shift. All of this will happen under the watchful eyes of every major telescope and scientific instrument on and above Earth. NASA and other space agencies are preparing an arsenal of technology for this event. Radar systems will map Apophis's surface down to the meter. Spectroscopes will analyze its composition in real time. Space-based telescopes will track its thermal signature, while ground-based observatories monitor its trajectory with unprecedented precision. This isn't just about scientific curiosity. Every bit of data we gather will be crucial for future planetary defense. We'll learn how asteroids behave during close Earth encounters, how our planet's gravity affects their structure, and most importantly, how we might deflect one if we ever need to. The encounter will serve as a dress rehearsal for defending Earth against future cosmic threats. The gravitational interaction between Earth and Apophis will be so intense that it will permanently alter the asteroid's orbit around the Sun. This will give scientists a unique opportunity to study how our planet's gravity can modify the paths of near-Earth objects, crucial knowledge for protecting our planet from future threats. But perhaps most intriguing is what we might learn about Apophis itself. Early observations suggest it might be a rubble pile, asteroid, essentially a collection of rocks and dust held together by gravity. If this is true, Earth's gravitational pull could literally reshape it before our eyes. Imagine watching a mountain in space change its form in real time. The 2029 flyby will also mark the first time we've been able to study an asteroid of this size at such close range without sending a spacecraft to it. Every telescope, radar dish, and sensor on Earth will be trained on this visitor, creating the most detailed portrait of an asteroid ever compiled. As we prepare for this historic encounter, scientists worldwide are collaborating on an unprecedented scale. New observation techniques are being developed, computer models are being refined, and contingency plans are being established. This isn't just about watching Apophis pass by. It's about proving that humanity can track, study, and ultimately defend against any cosmic intruder that might threaten our world. The day after Apophis passes, Earth will mark the beginning of a new era in space science. Every bit of data collected, every observation made, every lesson learned will become part of humanity's cosmic survival guide. But this encounter represents something even greater. It's our first real test as guardians of planet Earth. The Apophis flyby will revolutionize our understanding of planetary defense in several crucial ways. First, it will validate or challenge our asteroid detection and tracking capabilities. We'll learn if our current models for predicting asteroid behavior during close approaches are accurate. Most importantly, we'll discover how well we can coordinate a global scientific response to a near-Earth object event. The implications extend far beyond planetary defense. The technologies developed to study Apophis will advance fields from radar imaging to space-based telescopes. The computational models created to predict its behavior will help us understand other near-Earth objects. Even the international cooperation frameworks established for this event will serve as templates for future global scientific endeavors. Apophis is also teaching us about the potential for asteroid mining and resource utilization in space. By studying its composition and structure up close, we'll gain valuable insights into how we might one day extract resources from similar objects. What began as a potential threat could become a blueprint for humanity's expansion into the solar system. The encounter will also dramatically improve our understanding of Earth's gravitational influence on space objects. This knowledge is crucial, not just for planetary defense, but for future space exploration. Understanding how gravity affects asteroids could help us design better methods for redirecting them, either for defense or for resource collection. But perhaps the most profound impact of the Apophis encounter will be on human consciousness. For the first time in history, millions of people will look up and see, with their own eyes, a potential planet killer peacefully passing by. This shared experience will demonstrate both our vulnerability in the cosmos and our growing ability to protect ourselves. The event will also serve as a wake-up call. Earth travels through a cosmic shooting gallery, and it's not a question of if another large asteroid will head our way, but when. The Apophis encounter will help ensure that next time we'll be even better prepared. Looking beyond 2029, the legacy of Apophis will continue to influence space science and exploration. The systems and technologies developed to study it will be applied to other near-Earth objects. The international collaborations formed will strengthen, creating a global planetary defense network. What started as a story of potential destruction will become a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. As we track Apophis's path away from Earth, we'll know we've witnessed more than just a cosmic close call. We'll have participated in humanity's first real test as planetary defenders, transforming a potential catastrophe into a triumph of science and human cooperation. The asteroid named after the god of chaos will have taught us how to bring order to our understanding of cosmic threats. In the end, Apophis's greatest gift to humanity won't be the scientific data it provides, but the perspective it offers. As we watch this mountain-sized reminder of cosmic chaos pass safely by, we'll understand that we're no longer just passengers on spaceship Earth. We're becoming its guardians. In 2029, when you look up to watch Apophis cross the night sky, remember, you're witnessing more than just an asteroid. You're watching humanity's graduation ceremony as planetary defenders. The god of chaos came to test us, and we've turned that test into our greatest opportunity. This is how we become a truly spacefaring civilization, not through fear of what's out there, but through our determination to understand and protect our cosmic home.